Hey guys, welcome to Promo's Tasty Kitchen. Today we're going to try something new and something different, which is veggie also. We're going to make hash brown pizza. For this, we're going to pick up a lot of vegetables and the potatoes, and we're going to start with peeling the potatoes. I have taken 6, 7 potatoes in this case. I'm going to make maybe like 2 or 3 hash browns. So peel all your potatoes properly. We dip our potatoes in cold water for 5 minutes. Now we'll take off the potatoes and use a grater on the bigger side, and we'll grate the all potatoes nicely. Make sure you don't waste your potatoes and don't cut yourself while grating. Be careful. Now we'll take a bowl of water and add some ice in that and add our all grated potato in that. This will ensure that we are taking out all the starch from our potato. This is very required step. Please don't skip it. Make sure you nicely give a bath to the grated potato with the cold water for about 5 to 6 minutes so that all the starch can be out of it. Now we're going to drain out all the water. So I have taken one drainer and on strainer. On top of that I have put in a cotton cloth. Going to take out all the water, and then we make ensure that all the last bit of the water is out of the potato. So we have to squeeze the potatoes nicely so all water can be squeezed out of. We have to make it dry as much as possible. Now you see our potato is nicely squeezed and all the water is gone. There's no excess water in this. Now transfer it to a bowl, and now we'll prepare our pizza base out of it. So let's switch on the gas and put it on the full flame. I have taken a pan with a big diameter, adding a 2 tablespoon of oil. Let it heat for some time until unless you start feeling the heat waves. You let it heat. Let the oil heat it up. So you feel now you can see that okay, oil is nicely warm, hot. Spread the oil across the pan so that evenly when we are putting our hash brown, it's now we spread our potatoes properly and we'll fry it to a golden brown. Keep the flame to the medium to the high. You see, it's coming up very nicely. I'm added black pepper as per your taste. You can add your black pepper. You can add salt again as per your taste. It's good because it will ensure that there's no water in the. Give a good mix to the mixture, and you see we start seeing the light brown color. That is what we wanted. I have flattened the whole thing and make sure you're making like a base. Now we'll take a pan, cover it up, and we'll flip the bottom pan so that we'll transfer the base to the baking pan now. See, the bottom side is nicely brown cooked. This is what we wanted. We have flattened our base. It's coming up very good. I have added little bit oil. You can add olive oil or a cooking oil. If you don't want too much oil, you can avoid it also because cheese also going to release some oil. Spread it nicely. Now we're going to add 2 tablespoon of pizza based paste. You can use ketchup or a chili sauce as per your taste. And if you don't like this, you can even avoid it. It's not compulsory. Spread it evenly everywhere so the taste is even and it looks good. It's coming up very well so far. You see, it looks very good. Now we'll add greens on this. I'm adding capsicum. I'm going to add some tomatoes. You can add capsicum, chili, you can add onion, you can add olives, you can add jalapeno. What are the greens you have available at your place in this lockdown period, and whatever vegetables you like, you can add that. You can add even paneer into this to make it paneer flavor. I'm adding a little bit of peas also in this. Now our pizza is really looking good. Keep the flame at the lower end. Don't keep it medium or high, otherwise your base might get burned. So don't do that. Please keep it on the lowest possible medium, lowest flame side. Okay. I'm adding a cheese. You can add cheese as much as you want. If you are a cheese lover, you can add a lot of cheese. You are not so much, you can add just for the flavor. Spread it evenly and I'll cover it for 5 to 10 minutes. Let it simmer on the lower flame. I am adding a little bit of seasoning just to give a flavor, and our keep it for another 1 minute. Now you see our pizza is all ready. It's ready to be eaten. It's really looking good. I'm taking it off. We'll cut into the pieces and it is ready to be served. So enjoy your pizza and please don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Promote Tasty Kitchen and click on the bell icon to get the notifications on the new recipes. And please do let me know if you would like me to try some other recipes for you and help you with the recipes. I'm ready to help you with that. Please again don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel Promote Tasty Kitchen. I hope you would enjoy your pizza. Thank you.